guys, this is Sisaket. On this province I only find 3 interesting things to see, and all the 3 things, they are extremely far from our route, so maybe one day we back here to check them. We will just cross the city and go to the next one directly. This one is the one that have less interesting stuff to do. Guys, and look like this is a landmark of the 239 years since Thailand back this land from Khmer.
Thought that the Khmer culture is only in Surin and Buriram. I didn't know here
but we are going to Surin and Buriram. This is the way. Okay, let's go. It's to what?
I just didn't know that they have these things.
Okay, let's continue our trip, guys. Guys, quick stop at 7-Eleven for water and drinking yogurt. Start thinking what have to see around it. We stopped 2 or 3 things. Okay, we stopped 2 or 3 things and go Buriram. Okay guys, we are going to see a castle, a Khmer castle. Not here yet. Okay, left for parking. So beautiful. So this one don't need to pay? I mean, have a little shop here, maybe need to pay. At least they have the motorcycle parking in the sun. So for Thai people you pay 10 baht, is a Thai number but you cannot see. And for foreigner pay 50 baht.
Yeah.
Sadikap.
Can you help me? Keep it.
Let me do the thing on my end.
ถังขยะอยู่ด้านในนะครับตั้งรั้วด้านในเข้าไปประตูแล้วถังขยะจะอยู่ซ้ายมือเรานะครับเข้าประตูไปแล้ว
I gotta take a picture from that.
This is 10 baht, but it's in Thai language. This one is for foreigner, and here the name is Prasat Ban Puluang. It's Prasat district, Prasat Sikorapum, Surin Province.
แกงของพี่ก็ใช่ย่อยเสื้อพี่อ่ะนะพี่ยืนนักเลงชอบยืนนักเลง
Okay, cannot walk upstairs. Okay guys, we cannot see upstairs, but we can see a little bit. This one is close to... Okay, look like they lock all of them for we don't walk there. Let me just take a look. What is inside here? Oh, okay, have the Buddha there, and they have donations. Cool. This is exactly in the middle of the city. Look like sometimes they have the entrance by the back too. Oh, you guys realize it's not straight, it's like a little bit like this. Ah, you can see the wall here is straight, but everything else is falling a little bit. I don't know if in the GoPro you guys can see that. This one is falling, see it? It's falling and they already rebuilt it. Ah, I can see the new bricks here. This is totally destroyed. But they make a great job. Maybe in 5 or 10 years cannot see anymore that they rebuild it. This one is really falling apart, guys. I hope they keep rebuilding this, because it will be a big loss for history. Oh, you can see the door is already like this and it's already break on the top. But really beautiful. Let me see what is inside here. Okay. Okay, this one didn't have anything inside. Really beautiful. And worth the price. Only only $1.80, $1.90, something like that. The place is really beautiful. If you come to visit some historic stuff. Let's see if this side have something or is locked as well. Okay, so look like all the ones on the right side, they are totally empty inside. Don't have a roof, don't have anything. The one top left have like a Buddha inside that's totally not related to this kind of stuff. You can see this one is really pretty. Let me take a picture here. Somebody flying the drone there. And this one, okay, have some writing stuff. Oh, interesting. Let me try to see. Oh, you guys see around the walls? Have some kind of handwriting, and there have like many animals. I'll take a picture and later I show you on the picture, for you guys can see better. I believe the camera cannot catch that kind of detail. Extremely beautiful, the place. Now let's out from here and give another people the opportunity to take some shots. And here you have more stuff. Okay, this one don't have English description. Are you? You see guys, today 32 degrees, but for real you feel like 40 or 50, and down these motorcycle gear feel even hotter. Okay, now we go another province. This is Muang Surin. Now we go to Buriram.
Okay.
Okay guys, we are going to another province. This province named Buriram is known by the motorsport events, football team, local football team, and one of the best in Thailand, if I'm not wrong, and is known to have some of the most beautiful, really old castles and shrines and temples. And and now we are going to one of them. 130 kilometers, around 2 hours driving.